Hello friends, welcome to my channel where we dive into the world of interior design and help you to transfer your living spaces into stunning, personalized sanctuaries. In today's video, we will be focusing on bedroom decor and sharing some incredible tips and ideas to turn your bedroom into a cozy oasis. So let's get started. The first step in creating the perfect bedroom decor is selecting a color palette. Choose soothing, muted tones such as soft grays, pastel blues, warm naturals, or blush pinks. The third step in creating the perfect bedroom decor is selecting bedding and pillows. Investing in high quality bedding is essential for both comfort and style. Choose pillows in various sizes and shapes to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The third step in making the perfect bedroom decor is lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your bedroom. Incorporate a combination of ambient task and accent lighting. Install a dimmer switch to control the over brightness and create a soothing atmosphere. Add besides lamps or snoozes for reading or relaxation. The fifth step is personalize your bedroom wall with art, photographs, or tapestries that reflect your style and personality. Create a gallery wall using a mix of frame, network, or operative for a large statement piece above your bed. The sixth step for decorating your bedroom is plants and greenery. Bring a touch of nature indoors by incorporating plants and green into your bedroom decor. Not only do they improve air quality, but also they are a fresh and calming element to your space. By following these tips, you can transform your bedroom into a heaven of comfort and style. We hope you find this video helpful and feel inspired to start your decorating your bedroom. Thanks for watching my video.